So Cheryl considers an option where she hits the ball to A, and then from there, trying to hit it into here. Okay. So what's the first question? It's saying at what angle from CH, so from this line, should she hit it so that it lands near A? Okay, so we're looking for this angle here. Okay, let's call that angle C. You can see that the angle, right? I want to find this angle. What sides are given, right? What two sides are given relating to that angle? And it's this, and that's opposite over adjacent. So which trig ratio are we talking about? So the angle C, we're going to use tangent. Tangent of C is equal to 35 over 30. Okay, so C, we got to use the tangent inverse, right? You can divide this top and bottom by 5, that's 7 over 6 to get the angle. Alright, so what's the angle? So I get 49.4 degrees approximately. This is accurate up to one decimal place. And then the part B says, at which club should she use for this shot? That depends on this length right here, right? AC. Now this is what I'm going to use. AC over 30 is the ratio of cosine. Okay, but you could also done this with sine too. Okay, then it would be just 35, right? 35 over AC. Oh, sorry, I did this backwards. 30 over AC is equal to cosine of the one we just found, 49.4. So AC, if you cross multiply, you get 30 is equal to AC, right? AC, the length of AC, cosine of 49.4. So AC must be 30 divided by cosine of 49.4, right? That gives you 46.1. But you could have also done it by Pythagorean theorem. That's another option, right? So which one should you use to land nearest to A? Yeah, sand wedge, right? So it's a sand wedge. Okay, so assume that Cheryl succeeds with her first shot and her golf ball lands at A. Okay, at what angle from the tree line must she aim for the second shot? Now we're looking for this angle, right? Okay, let's call that angle theta this time. So for part C, you can see that tangent of theta is 70 over 35. So theta is again tangent inverse of 70 over 35. So 63.4 degrees. Okay, so that's the angle that you should shoot the next shot with. And which club should she use for this one? For D, so this time I'm going to use Sam's suggestion, and it's going to use Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to say AH, right? The length of AH is equal to the square root of 35 squared plus 70 squared, right? This is 78.3 meters. So which club should we use? This one, right? We got to use this one and maybe hit a little bit light, not as hard. Okay, so we should use pitching wedge.
You can also use sand wedge and hit hard.
Right, pitching wedge. Yes, but generally how people play golf, they try to sort of like play so that it's a little bit stronger, a little bit less. They don't go like you're supposed to hit 90. You don't go, I'm gonna hit really hard with 50 and then try to hit 90. You don't do that. Okay, so let's just answer the question more logically. Okay, instead of saying saying the extremes. Of course, someone really strong probably could do that, but for this question, pitching wedge is the best choice.